Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've been seeing those Lana green jewelry ads claiming up to 80% off in a massive retirement sale, you might be wondering, is this a legit site for trendy jewelry or is it a scam? Before we get started, just a quick disclaimer, everything I'm sharing in this video is based on public research and my personal opinion. Lana Green Jewelry claims to offer beautiful handcrafted jewelry with designs featuring painted ceramic beads and gold-plated hooks. They're all over social media, especially with ads that are pushing that big 80% off retirement sale. But here's the thing. When you dig into the details, things start to look a little sketchy. First, Lana Green Jewelry's official website, lanagreenjewelry.com, doesn't even show up on Google. Instead, a website you can find is lanajewelry.com, which doesn't exactly inspire confidence. I came across a detailed Reddit post where a user shared their research after seeing all the ads. They found that while the jewelry looks nice in photos, the company has some serious red flags. These include multiple review sites flagging it as questionable, customer complaints about not receiving orders after paying, confusing return policies, and difficulties getting refunds. Some customers even received products shipped from Hong Kong when they expected domestic delivery. Other complaints about poor quality materials that break easily and jewelry that looks cheaper in person than in the photos. While some people did get their orders and like the simpler items, like basic earrings, it seems like the quality doesn't always match expectations, especially for the price. So what's the final word on Lana Green Jewelry? Honestly, there are too many warning signs here for me to feel comfortable recommending it. If you're still tempted by the ads, maybe start with a small order and use PayPal for buyer protection. But remember, the massive discounts and retirement sale feel more like marketing tactics than genuine sales. There are plenty of other jewelry brands out there with better track records, so you might want to look elsewhere if you're after quality and peace of mind. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.